Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the host device and physical link so you can share right away. Connect the USB cable to the host and target device. Make sure the host already has the internet connection you will share. On mobile, enable USB tethering or developer USB networking so the interface appears. On desktop, open network settings to confirm a new USB/Ethernet adapter shows up. Once done, pick the interface you'll use to forward traffic and proceed to configure sharing rules. Now you configure sharing on the host so the target receives routed traffic. On Windows, enable internet connection sharing on the adapter with internet and select the USB adapter as the shared connection. On Mac OS, turn on internet sharing and choose the source and USB interfaces. On Linux, enable IP forwarding and add NAT rules with IPtables or NFT, or set Network Manager to share the connection. Make sure DHCP is provided or assign a static IP to the target device so it can reach the gateway. Finish by validating connectivity and addressing common failures. On the target, confirm it received an IP, gateway, and DNS, then test with ping 8, 8, 8, 8 and a browser to confirm name resolution. If it fails, restart the host's network service or toggle USB tethering. Often reconnecting the cable refreshes interfaces. If still blocked, inspect firewall rules and NAT settings on the host. Make sure packets are masqueraded. One key tip: enable logging temporarily for IPtables/NFT or view windows.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.